Hi, and welcome to Woody's Tech Hub. In this video, I will be giving you my personal review of the Shure MV7 Plus podcast microphone kit while unboxing it and showing you everything that comes with it. And I am actually using the Shure MV7 Plus for this voiceover, which I recorded after unboxing the microphone kit. So, what you are hearing now is the natural audio recording quality of the Shure MV7 Plus. You may notice it has a deep, rich tone, pretty good built in noise canceling, and a decent pop filter. I did not use any additional software to create the sound you are hearing. I just plugged it into my computer and I started recording. So you can hear that the baseline quality is really good, but you can also modify it further with plugins or in post production with your preferred audio/video editing software. If you clicked on this video, then you're probably considering a new microphone and trying to decide if this is the microphone that will do everything you need it to. You are probably asking yourself if it's worth the price, which is between $279 and $299, depending on if you want that tabletop stand or not. As you see here, I got the one with the stand included, which has been great, although it will also work with any standard microphone stand. There will be a link to buy this microphone through Amazon down in the video description below, where it is sporadically on sale for even less than other retailers are selling it for. And of course, you could just go search for it yourself, but if you use the affiliate link in the description, it does help support us here at Woody's Tech Hub at no additional cost to you. So thank you in advance if you choose to help support the channel. I will say that this microphone has been the single best investment for the purpose of making YouTube videos, and I have had a lot of time to test it over on my other channel, Grown Up Pains. Rather than spend thousands of dollars on better camera gear, I have found that spending just a little money to upgrade my audio has had an incredibly positive effect on the overall quality of my videos. And I can see in the viewer retention data that people are sticking around longer because they aren't put off by poor audio quality. Now, before I bought the Shure MV7 Plus, I actually started by using what I already had rather than spend money, testing what sound quality was like with the onboard mic on my smartphone, which was okay, but not super great. And then later hooking up a Zoom H1N as a USB mic, which was better than the smartphone mic, but still picked up a lot of background noise and more plosives than I liked. Then I found a nice little $27 USB microphone with onboard noise canceling. That one is called the Maono DGM20, and it's more of a gamer style microphone with RGB colors and built in pop filter. To me, it was an upgrade over the more expensive Zoom H1N simply because of the noise canceling. So the DGM20 became my new default mic for YouTube, but the overall sound quality was just not that great. It sounded a bit tinny and harsh, and this was rather difficult to improve with software later on in post production. So, after a few months of tinkering with troublesome microphones, I noticed that everyone on YouTube seemed to be using the Shure MV7 Plus podcasting mic or one of its close cousins, and they were all getting great sound out of it. I thought maybe they are recording in a sound treated studio, which I didn't have, or spending a ton of time fixing the audio in post production, which I didn't want to do. That's when one of my YouTube creator friends, Ty Myers, made a video showing his simple recording setup. I knew he had been using this mic, but what I didn't realize is how he just plugged it straight into his smartphone via USB-C. No expensive or complicated mixer interface to mess with. Then he used simple one-click audio enhancements built into his video editing software, and that was it. I couldn't believe how simple it was from start to finish. So after seeing the evidence for myself, I knew investing in the Shure MV7 Plus would be worth it. As of this recording, I still stand by that, and honestly, I think this is probably the last microphone I'll need to buy for a long time. Although I'll probably buy some others to unbox and review later. This is a tech channel after all. So check it out for yourself. There is an Amazon link in the description below, and they usually have a return policy of 30 days and sometimes longer during the holiday buying season. So you have the peace of mind knowing you can try this microphone out risk-free and find out firsthand if it's the mic for you. And if you're an aspiring content creator, please consider subscribing to this channel, but also check out my friend at Ty_Myers on YouTube. Ty makes useful explainer videos teaching you everything you need to know to succeed at YouTube, and he documented his journey of going from zero to monetized in about 6 months. If that interests you, I'll link his channel in the description as well. FYI, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to shout out Ty because he's inspired me and I thought he deserved a proper mention. If you have a question about this microphone or about something I didn't cover in this video, please feel free to leave a comment below or send me an email at hello@woodiestechhub.com. I'll put that up on the screen, and I would be ecstatic to hear from you and help in whatever way I can. Again, that is hello@woodiestechhub.com. And if you want to keep up with us, you are always invited to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for visiting us at Woody's Tech Hub on YouTube. You can also find us at woodiestechhub.com, and I will see you in the next video.